beside me through the darkest nights, and I believe every word you said to me. You saw my cracks, my broken lights. Still you stayed through every climb. Your love stayed steady, pure and true. Now I'm stronger because of you. When I lost my way, you were still my guide, a gentle flame I could run inside. No judgment came, just your